Hello everyone, welcome to this short and insightful video on how to set your child on the path to becoming a trust fund baby. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Establish a trust and make your child the beneficiary and yourself the trustee. This way, you retain control and oversight. Step 2. Appoint the trust as the beneficiary of your life insurance policy. This ensures that when you pass away, a lump sum payout is made directly into the trust, creating a solid financial foundation. Step 3. Transfer the ownership of your real estate assets as well as any cash, investments, and any other valuables to the trust for comprehensive asset protection. Now, the fun part. Choose the frequency and terms of payment from the trust to your child. You get to be the director of their financial journey. Set specific ages or milestones when they gain access to the trust funds. Let's aim to normalize the concept of trust fund babies in our African community setup and foster financial empowerment and security. And if you're ready to delve deeper into trusts and estate planning, drop the word trust in the comment section and I will send you a link to my upcoming free masterclass on estate planning. And in this class, I will have the CEO of the leading trust company in Kenya educating us on matters trust funds, wills, and family trusts. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Comment trust and I will do the needful. Thank you for watching.